Today we are going to be taking a look at the Ryobi multi-tool versus the Dewalt Oscillating tool. Now, a couple of months ago I did a review on the Ryobi multi-tool. If you haven't seen that, check it out. The link will be up above. But this is in my opinion, this is a great starter oscillating tool, which also can turn into a bunch of different other tools. You can take this head off here and attach several different things. But today we're going to compare it with this Dewalt. I knew we had one lying around somewhere. We use this on jobs for our crew, so this is a little more professional. This is what the guys use out on the field. So today we're going to take a look and we're going to compare both of these. Again guys, if you like the video, if you want to see more videos like that, hit that like, hit that subscribe button down below, and let me know what you think in the comments, and let's go ahead and get started. Let's see, let's start off with the price. So the price will be for the tool only, no battery. So when you buy it, this is what you'll get right here. So for the Ryobi, price starts at $79.99, which is what I paid for it at Home Depot. For the Dewalt, the price starts at $139.99. Also got it at Home Depot. Now, for that price, you get the tool only. You don't get a battery. The Ryobi does come with a couple of other different attachments for here, and the Dewalt comes with extra blade. That's it. So is a brushless motor, whereas the Ryobi is a brush motor. The speeds are variable on both. Your pressure from your finger is what determines the speed. They're both cordless. The Ryobi is a 18 volt, and it takes this lithium ion 18 volt battery. Sorry for the rain, I forgot to mention that, but it is raining outside, so you can probably hear that in the background. Again, sorry. Quick video this week. I'm going to be working on something for the new family car, but the Dewalt takes any of these batteries. So I have a thick one here to kind of match the battery for the Ryobi. But I also have this other 20 volt here that also will fit. It's a little bit bigger but thinner. And then we also have one of the black batteries that goes with the Dewalt that will also fit on here. So that's pretty cool. But for this video, we'll go with this one. It's about the same size. Alright, so this one, like I said, this one's a 20 volt. This one's an 18 volt, and they're both lithium ion batteries. With the battery, you can see, get it in frame. The Ryobi is about 1.5 inches taller than the Dewalt. And let's start with a Ryobi. So it's pretty comfortable to grip. My hand fits around it fine. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. See? And then the Dewalt. Again, for my hand, this one feels a little better. This one feels like I'm holding on to one of their drills, which is great. It feels exactly like a drill. So this one, they both have the rubber grip on them. I feel like maybe the Dewalt is a little more ergonomic, a little bit easier to grab onto. Like I said, it feels like one of their drills. They both have the lock. Oh, they both have a lock. The Ryobi is just kind of weird to get it. You can work it if it's on either side. You have to get it right in the middle to stop the trigger. The Dewalt is just like their drills. Push it in, push it out. Same thing. Actually, they're exactly the same. All the way in to one side, can't touch it. All the way into the other side, you can't. Has to be in the middle. So they're both the same. This one's a little bit harder to get down. I guess you could get used to doing it with your one finger, but just the same. All right, so they both have LED lights. See, the Ryobi has it underneath it, and the Dewalt has it right on top. So I like the Dewalt design better because it's right in the front where you need it. All right, so OPMs, oscillations per minute. The Ryobi actually does up to 20,000 oscillations per minute, and the Dewalt goes up to 18,000 oscillations per minute. So a little bit more OPMs from the Ryobi. Another little thing that the Ryobi has that the Dewalt does not have is the little magnetic tray right here. So holds tips, screws, any little thing like that. So the Dewalt does not have anything like that. It'd be cool if they added it on there, but it doesn't have anything like that. So that's one little thing it has. So for blades, the Dewalt comes, all right, so for blades and attachments, so the Ryobi, like we have reviewed already, requires an Allen wrench to remove it. Takes a little bit more work, a little bit longer. This is probably one of my favorite features on the Dewalt. The Dewalt does not require that. It has this universal adapter and this quick change lever. You just push it, slide the blade out. You need to put it back in there. If you need to readjust which way it's going. That's all it takes. So that's definitely a plus for the Dewalt. This saves you a couple minutes having to take off this with the Allen wrench or risk losing that little piece. This will fit with a variety of different blades. This one that we have on here is a Dremel blade, and this one as well with this attachment. If you want to attach a different blade to the Ryobi, it'll work with that same attachment. If you want to use the sanding head that came with it, it has a little bit different attachment. And there, leading into the next thing. So this is compatible with the rigid Job Max tool head. So the rigid tool heads are compatible with this. You pop this head off. Alright, so you pop this head off, and like we said before, the rigid Job Max, these are the different heads that it's compatible with. Has a screwdriver, angled screw, bunch of different heads like this that you can apply to this that'll work with it. The Dewalt is only an oscillating tool, so that's a positive for the Ryobi, which can be turned into multiple different tools for the price of one. Of course, you have to buy the different heads, but they're not as much as buying the tools separately. Alright, so like I said, batteries not included for either one of these, and warranty. The Ryobi comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. That's all it says. And the Dewalt comes with a 3-year limited warranty, 1 year of free service, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. So Dewalt, they are pretty good about getting their tools fixed. We've had a couple sanders go out, a couple different drills that we've gotten fixed, and we do like Dewalt. Like I said, this is probably most of our drills and stuff that our guys use are Dewalt. I bought this for personal use at my house, and yeah guys, so there's the different specs and the differences in them, and we're gonna go ahead and try out. I got a little piece of wood here that I have clamped to my table here, and it has a couple different screws in there. We're gonna try them out. We're gonna cut, see the difference, see what it feels like, what the difference is. So let's go ahead and give these two a little try. Alright guys, so first we're gonna go with the Ryobi. We are going to do the wood test first. So we'll go Ryobi, and then we will go Dewalt to cut through this I believe it's a 1x2, 1x3 piece of wood. So let's see how it works. Alright, so first test, piece of wood. They both cut through it really well. Felt like the Ryobi, my hand felt a little shakier after, but I mean they both cut the same. Noise wasn't too much of a difference. Pretty much about the same on both of them. Next, we are going to cut these metal screws. Alright, we're going to start off with the Ryobi. Remember guys, if you like the video, if you want to see more videos like it, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments. It helps, drive more traffic. It helps us out, and we really appreciate you guys. So here we go. So the Dewalt, a little bit more expensive, can't add the heads, can't make it into a different tool. However, for work, for the professional, for the person that's going to use it every day as an oscillating tool, this is great for the price. With Dewalt, at least I think I can always count on the quality. I don't have issues with Dewalt tools going out, and we've used them for a lot of years. This is mainly what we use for drills and stuff like this. Dewalt, we have a Dewalt nailer, which I'll probably review. One of the framing nail guns. If you want to see that, let me know in the comments below. But like I said before, the Ryobi is a great tool for a homeowner, for a person that doesn't use it every day. It's a little bit clunkier, a little bit shakier, but for $79, for $80, it's a great tool. You can turn it into other tools, which is the main thing that I think as a homeowner. I have a small garage. I don't have a shop here at my house where I can keep a million tools. So this is great. This is 5-6 different tools in one. Like I said, this is for the homeowner. This is a great option for the beginner. If you're just starting out with projects around the house and stuff like that, this is a great option still. This is more for the professional. It's going to use it every day for things like drywall, cutting PVC, cutting wood. Then yeah, this is the better option. But the Ryobi is still a great option for the homeowners that want to have a tool that can do multiple different things for a good price, $80. Can't beat that. Like I said, the batteries are just like Dewalt. You can interchange them between things. This, I have drills, I have little electric weed eater, different things that we can use that battery on. So they're both great options depending on what you're looking for, what you're needing. They are both good. I know for a fact, Dewalt for us has been great. Ryobi, we just started. Like I said, I bought this for personal use, so I have to see how the future, how it holds up. But I've had it for about 3 months now, and so far it's been doing great. Thank you guys for tuning in this week. If you want to see more review videos, let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in seeing that nail gun review, let me know in the comments below. And thank you guys for checking out my channel. See you guys next week, and cool outro. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.